IPL 2024 is on and Royal Challengers Bengaluru are having a tough time. They have managed to win only a single match in all the 8 matches that they have played so far, and now 6 matches are left for them. Now what RCB can hope for? They should hope to win all the remaining matches and actually pray and actually work hard to do so. Well, talking about RCB, if RCB fans are pretty disappointed right now that their team can't make it to the playoffs, then you are wrong. Because RCB fans, you really need to take a chill pill and think of how your team can reach to the playoffs. Obviously, I know that it might sound unrealistic, but mathematically, RCB can reach to the playoffs. Now, they have 6 matches left. First one being against Sunrisers Hyderabad. I know that Sunrisers Hyderabad made that record total in IPL, the highest ever total in IPL history when the team met RCB in their previous encounter. That was the time when SRH made 280 plus runs. And people were like, okay, Sunrisers Hyderabad is that one team which is unbeatable. And now RCB's coming encounter is against SRH only. But they can't lose their hope. They really need to pull up their socks and think of winning this match. So if RCB manage to win this match, then they'll have to manage to win the other 5 matches also. So if somehow RCB land up winning all the remaining matches, then they will be with 14 points. 2 points they already have from a single win that they have got in this season. And if they manage to win coming 6 matches, then they will get 14 points. Now talking about the teams who are performing really well. In that scenario, we have 3 teams who are performing exceptionally well. Rajasthan Royals, Kolkata Knight Riders and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Now RCB also need to hope and pray that Rajasthan win 4 out of the remaining 6, while SRH and KKR win 5 of their remaining 7, which will lead RR to 22 points, SRH and KKR to 20 points apiece. And it will then lead RCB with 14 points and other teams on just 12 each. And that will lead RCB to the top 4. So this is just a calculation, right? Anything can happen in this tournament, but if you come up with a wild calculation, this is how the result will look like. So RCB can finish on the number 4 spot even now. But if you are a RCB fan and if you really want to see your team high up the ranks, then also I have a solution for it. So RCB in that scenario would definitely require to win all the matches. So RCB really need to win all matches, but what they would need to pray for, they need to pray for that LSG. Yes, LSG, the team who's also performing really well, that team should win maximum number of matches, and SRH and KKR should win only a single match from the remaining matches that they are left with. Which would mean that SRH and KKR, who are currently with 10 points, will get only 2 points extra, and they will be ending this tournament with 12 points apiece. And then will come Lucknow Super Giants, and if LSG perform really well, then they can go to the second spot with 20 points if they manage to win 5 games. So in such scenario, we can look at the points table and can think, then in that case, we can have RR as the number 1 team, Lucknow Super Giants is the second team, and RCB as the third team. Yes, Royal Challengers Bangalore then come as a third team, just below Lucknow Super Giants, and then all the other teams who will be having 12 points apiece, they can be on the 4th position on the basis of their net run rate. So this is how the IPL points table can look like if RCB managed to win all their remaining matches, and they also get to see all the results that they'll be hoping for in their favor. That's pretty much that. But if you are thinking, what will happen? Will RCB get out of the race of the IPL 2024 race if they lose the match against Sunrisers Hyderabad? Well, no. Then also RCB can make it to the playoffs. You know how? They will need to win the remaining 5 matches, which means that they will end up with 12 points. So even if they lose a match against Sunrisers Hyderabad, they will have to win the next 5 matches. Then they'll be landing up with just 12 points, and they will need to hope and pray that the other teams also perform like them only and reach to only just 12 points. And then there will be 8 teams in some bizarre calculation. There will be 8 teams with 12 points, and then RCB can somehow enter into top 4. I know the calculations are bizarre, some calculations are even unrealistic, but that's how the cricket game is. You really need to think of mathematics out there and how one team can mathematically move into the playoffs. And this is one team, Royal Challengers Bangalore, who really need some mathematical calculations now to change their fortunes, as in this IPL so far they have performed really very poorly, and that's why they are at the bottom rock position. But what do you think? Do you think that RCB can even get better than the last rank? Do let us know in the comment section.